morning everyone and welcome to another coffee video. This is a super exciting one. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and get ready because it's a bit of a long one. This is the Nespresso Virtuo Advent Calendar. If you'd like to see what's inside, stay tuned. So Nespresso has come out with an Advent Calendar. This is the Virtuo one. There's an original one as well here. This retails for £39 and it's in collaboration with Joanna Ortiz and the packaging is beautiful. Apparently they used to do these calendars before, I've never seen them, so when I saw it I was like wow. So it comes in a beautiful box like this, gorgeous artwork. Absolutely stunning. And you present it with your box like so. So let's open it up. Now you've got 24 days and a bonus 24 in the middle there. So that's a bonus. I don't know what that's going to be, but I'm assuming you are going to get a coffee for each day. And that little gap in there is so that can close. I didn't expect it to be this big, but it is really big. How fab is that? Okay, so shall we see what's inside? This is going to be fun, trying to find all the numbers. Right, okay. Number one, which is this box here. How are we going to do this? I'm wondering how we're going to do this. Please hold. Fuck. Okay, let's start with door number one and see what coffees we get. Okay, so door number one, Intenso. So it tells you the intensity of the capsule. And we have got, Intenso, 230 ml. I don't know what one that is, but that's for number one. First day of Christmas. Nice. Number two. Oh, Furtado, which is an intensity 8. This is one of my favorites. And this is a Grand Lungo 150 ml Furtado. Nice. Number 3. Isn't that nice? You get a new coffee every day. Oh, Tocanto. This is new. I haven't seen this one. This is an intensity 5. This must be an espresso and it's an intensity 5. So Tocanto, not seen this one before. So that's a new one for me. Number 4. Can we find number 4? Oh, it's down here. Number 4. Master Origins Costa Rica intensity 7. And that is a 150 ml. Costa Rica. Number 5 over here. Oh, Malozio Decaffeinato, intensity 6. So actually, I've not seen a Malozio that's decaffeinated actually, and this is a big one at 230 mils. So this is a very light coffee. But I've never seen the decaffeinated one, so that's nice. Next door, number 6. Where are we? Number 6. Here we are. Oh, what have we got here? Barista Creations Bianco Forte. Wowee. This is a 230 ml. These are the ones that are really good with milk if you want to do a latte or cappuccino. Nice. Where are we? Number 7. Number 7. Where is number 7? Over here. What have we got behind door number 7? Il Cafe. Oh, intensity 11. This is an espresso. Sorry, espresso. I know you get so annoyed when I say espresso. Espresso. And that is a 40 ml. So that is very strong at 11 on the Richter scale. So I would add a lot of milk to that one. What number? Number 8. Ooh, Inizio, intensity 4. Not tried this one. This is a, doesn't say how many mils this one is. I think it's a 230 or a 150. But this is an intensity 4, so it's quite a light coffee, which is quite nice for the mornings. Inizio, not tried that. That's great to try new coffees, isn't it? Number 9. Double Espresso Scuro, intensity 8. I do like the double espressos. Double espressos are 80 mils, and these are fabulous with lots of milk. So that's a really nice one. Number 10. Where are we, number 10? Down here. Oh, Master Origins Colombia. Again, these are the Colombia range. It's quite nice. This is a 230. This is huge. And this is intensity 5. So it's a good all-rounder, this one. Number 11 up here. What have we got? Oh, I've torn it. Oh, one of my favourites, the custard pie. This is one of my favourites. This is a 230 and this is the custard pie and it's gorgeous. Number 12. What's behind door number 12? Ooh, Altissimo Decaffeinatio, another decaffeinated, intensity 9. So this is great for those of you who want to have a coffee late at night, decaffeinated. 13. Diablito, intensity 11. This is a very strong espresso. Oh my God, I can't get it out. Oh. 40 ml Diablito, very strong espresso, after dinner type thing. Number 14. What have we got? Stormio, intensity 8. This is a very strong one. I remember getting this in a starter pack of mine. And this is a huge 230 ml Stormio, if you like a strong coffee. $15. Caramel cookie, another one of my favourites. I wonder if we're going to get any Christmas faves in here. This is a 230 ml caramel cookie. If you like your flavoured coffees, this is gorgeous. Love it. 16. Where are we? Number 60. Here we are. Number 16. Voltesso. This is one of my favourite espressos. This is an intensity 4. And what I like to do is double up with these. So I get more than just an espresso. So double up, put one in, then put another one in, and then top up with milk, and you get a nice flat white. 17. Where's 7? Oh, down here. 17. Oh, we've got another Furtado decaffeinato. Why have we got so many decaffeinated ones? So we've got a Furtado. Again, we've got the original Furtado here. This is just a decaffeinated version. And it's an intensity 8, a strong coffee. Number 18. What's the score behind the door? Master Origins, Mexico, intensity 7, 230 ml. Again, lovely blend. 19. Oh, double espresso Chiaro, number 6 intensity. This is one of my favourites. Love this, topped up with milk. This is a really smooth, creamy espresso. Lovely. 20. Altissimo, intensity 9, another strong one. Espresso. I'm not seeing any Christmas favourites here. What's, where, you know, 21. Melozio, that's a number 8. It's quite a light coffee. It's a nice coffee, really. Nice and fresh morning coffee. Lovely. Intensity 6. Where are we? Number 21. 22. What have we got behind door 22? Borefia, intensity 6. It's another espresso. Not tried that one. 22. And have I opened 23 already? Oh. Oh no, 23's here. I beg your pardon. 23. Barista Creations Bianca Leggero. This is also a really good one with milk. It's a 150. It works particularly well with milk, so that's a great one for cappuccinos and flat whites. And now, the piece de resistance, the 24th. What is the magical gift that we're getting here? Wow, look at this. Right. Got a nice box for the 24th. And I'm just going to turn you around now so we can open it together. So 24th, this is the bonus prize. I don't know what it is. Oh! Oh, look at that. That is lovely. That is an espresso, part of the Lume collection. Coffee mug. Wow, okay. That is really, that's beautiful. It's ceramic, but you've got like a matte ceramic and then like a gloss in the middle, and this is beautiful. I think it's well worth the calendar just for this, I must say. Really nice for the 24th. So that's your Nespresso calendar. I will say it's great to try new coffees, but I would have liked to see, you know, what's coming up in the Christmas flavours, because that would have been nice. So these are your 23 days of Christmas. You've got a nice coffee for each day, and then your bonus prize is with the mug, and then this closes up into your beautiful box like this. So there we go. Wow. So if you're new to Nespresso, or you just fancy trying other coffees, you know, different flavours, this is a great way to try your flavours, and you get a beautiful luxe, gorgeous mug to go with it. Fantastic. So there we go, that's the Nespresso Virtuo Advent Calendar for Christmas 2021. It beats, you know, a plain calendar or a chocolate calendar. So for all the coffee lovers out there, I think you're gonna love this. It's an absolute treat. And you get to enjoy your cup of coffee to go with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, any video requests, please leave them down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're new for more coffee videos. And I'll chat to you later. Bye.